Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Rebirthing My Hair, Alicia here. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this DIY clarifying shampoo for natural low porosity hair. So the things that you're going to need is a storage container of your choice, some hemp baby unscented castile soap, avocado oil, or carrier oil of your choice, an essential oil of your choice. I chose tea tree oil and some rose water, or you can just use plain 4-ounce water. I chose to use rose water simply because it was already pre-made and I just basically love how rose water treats my hair. So I popped that in the microwave for about 30 seconds just to warm the product up. And now I'm gonna go in with some avocado oil. I believe, I don't want to get this wrong, but I believe I used 1/3 cup of avocado oil. It was either 1/3 or 1/4, either way. So I added oil into the clarifying shampoo because even though I want my hair to be clarified and clean, I still want to add moisture into my hair. Now, after I've added the avocado oil, I then go in with some tea tree oil and I added about 10 to 15 drops of that. The reason I added that oil inside of this product is because it's going to help with the dandruff or whatever buildup that I may have on my scalp, to loosen it up and to basically give me that refreshed hair scalp feeling, and to also keep down the microbes that will grow inside of the inside of the product once it has been stored away. And another thing, once you have finished this product and you still have more left over, you want to store it inside of the refrigerator. That is very important. Now to the castile soap. You want to add about 2 ounces of castile soap inside of your product. Now guys, I feel like I was in a chemistry lab because once I added that castile soap, you saw that the shampoo started to change colors from that, I don't know, golden, not golden, but like that reddish look tint to like more of a brownish tint. And I was a little reluctant to trying it, or putting it on my hair, but I put it on my hands just to see if I would have any type of reaction before I even applied it to my scalp. And once I realized that I didn't have a reaction, then I went ahead and proceeded to wash my hair with it. And this is what you get. Now, because the castile soap is so potent, it's very lathering, I went in with an additional 8 ounces of water to basically dilute my solution before applying it to my hair. So this is what the finished product will look like once it has all been put together. Now I'm just going to go ahead and demonstrate how I used it on my hair. So I have my hair section into 4 large sections. I'm then going to go in and mist it with some plain water. Actually, my water is warm because of my low porosity hair, so I do want my cuticles to open up so that it is able to receive the product that I'm putting in my hair. Once I have done that, I'm then going to go in with my shampoo and apply it just to my scalp. Only apply the shampoo on your scalp. Let the water or the rinse drain. I don't know how to say it, but just let the water do the rest of the job when shampooing your hair. I am also massaging my scalp because that helps with blood flow. So if you didn't know, now you know to massage your scalp so you can get that blood flowing. So this right here is my DIY clarifying shampoo that has transformed my hair from this, I don't even know how to explain it, but my hair is super soft. It is clean. I usually have problems with product buildup still left behind on my scalp, and you usually can, I usually have like a lot of product buildup under my fingernails, but I have none, and there's none on my roots. Oh My goodness, my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Y'all, this is amazing. This is amazing. And because my hair is a different grade in the back, like my curls seem to be more popping, you know, a bit frizzier, but it's more popping. So yeah, I'm very satisfied. I will be using this for future times or future references. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. And that's a wrap. See you in the next video.